Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned into the 712th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today examines a major regulatory move aimed at transforming the health insurance landscape. In an effort to make pricing more transparent and claims processing more predictable, the center is planning to build a public health claims index using data from the National Health Claims Exchange, or NHCX. This initiative is designed to give consumers much needed visibility into how insurers actually handle claims. Currently, the industry is paper-heavy and inefficient, costing nearly 3,500 rupees per transaction. But this shift to digital data flow aims to fix that. With total claims paid rising to nearly 94,248 crores in the last fiscal year, this index hopes to move the industry away from static, one-size-fits-all products toward dynamic, risk-adjusted offerings, potentially even offering premium reductions for well-managed conditions like diabetes. Moving on to our next story, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, has issued updated commission rules for insurance brokers. This regulatory update is set to redefine how intermediaries are compensated, bringing more structure and transparency to the remuneration framework. The move is expected to align the interests of brokers with the long-term needs of the policyholders, ensuring that advice is unbiased and focused on the best coverage options. As the broking sector continues to expand, these new rules will provide a clearer roadmap for operations, ultimately benefiting the end consumer by fostering a more ethical and efficient distribution network. Our third story focuses on a strategic development in the maritime sector. In a bid to safeguard sea trade amidst geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and the Iran conflict, India is looking at the creation of a specialized maritime insurance pool. This pool aims to shield PSU insurers from the massive risks associated with war zones, ensuring that Indian trade routes remain insulated from global volatility. By creating a collective safety net, this initiative ensures that the surge in war risk premiums does not make exports uncompetitive and that vital shipping lanes continue to operate without fear of crippling financial liabilities. Our final story spotlights an innovative approach to climate resilience. The National Disaster Management Authority, or NDMA, is ramping up its heat action plans and is now eyeing parametric insurance to shield vulnerable workers. As heat waves become more severe, gig workers and construction laborers are often left without income protection. Unlike traditional insurance, which requires proof of loss, parametric insurance pays out automatically when specific triggers, like temperature thresholds, are met. This proactive financial tool is being explored to provide immediate relief to workers during extreme weather events, acting as a vital safety net for those on the front lines of climate change. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.